Hey, and good afternoon, everybody. Meteorologist Greg Majeski back with you here on the channel to give you an update here on your October the 15th, 2025. And really not looking bad across all North Georgia, looking very, very nice indeed. All that blue skies, comfortable temperatures. But we're going to be tracking three different cold fronts coming at us. One's going to bring us some rain, and a couple of them bringing us a little bit of cool down, and some question marks on day 6 and 7 forecast I'm going to get to on this update. Now, before we get rolling on all this here on the YouTube channel, if you're not yet a subscriber, you live anywhere in North Georgia, what are you waiting for, my friend? Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're alerted on future content. And if you ever have a weather-related question, just post it down below. I'm more than happy to answer your questions. All right, let's go ahead and take a live look out there in Dahlonega, Georgia. Look at that blue sky. Looking absolutely gorgeous out there for this afternoon, as well as down toward Lake Lanier. We got a lot of clear skies, a sunny day. Very, very nice, light, gentle breeze. Not bad at all. Radar all clear, not a cloud to be seen. Obviously, nothing on the radar to show you. And the satellite picture, it's also looking clear. Just a few clouds down there in South Georgia, but otherwise, we're looking very clean and very dry here across our area. Regionally looking like this, temperatures are into the 80s this afternoon. You're seeing 81 up there in Dalton right now, 84 degrees over there into areas there east of Atlanta, 82 over there near Carrollton. So yeah, we're definitely seeing warmer temperatures here across the region. Quick look out in the tropics. What was Lorenzo? It's pretty much fizzled on out. That's the last little update on that system. It's gone, and looks like we'll have some quiet period there in the tropics for a little while as far as that's concerned. Now, as far as what we're going to see here, as far as the rain is concerned for this weekend, I want to take a look at the latest European model on this here, as we got to go loop it on through. And again, the timing on this looks like it'll be overnight Saturday and going into your Sunday. So don't worry, I'm going to slow this down for you here as we kind of track this here. Watch that timestamp in the upper right-hand corner as we bring this rain chance in. Here come the clouds, probably increasing late in the day on Saturday. And then looking at the rains coming in Sunday night. So this is the tracking on this right now. Now, once we get inside 84 hours, we'll be able to really kind of fine-tune the arrival on this stuff. But this looks like this goes and clears on out, and then we'll see some cooler weather, probably the coolest temperatures of the fall coming in for Monday and Tuesday morning. Right now, Tuesday morning, I'm anticipating probably some lows in the North Georgia area, Blue Ridge over toward Blairsville and Clayton, maybe flirting then getting into the upper 30s for the first time this season. So that's what we're tracking there. As far as rainfall totals are concerned, looking at generally a ½ inch to 1 inch in there. That yellow there, that's getting into that 1 inch territory. But I think a ½ inch to 1 inch looks like a reasonable pot of rain here for this upcoming weekend. So let's go take a look at our forecast maps. Again, kind of watch as I kind of highlight this. Watch that little timestamp there at the top as I kind of highlight this for you here. As we go on through into tomorrow, looking very good. A lot of high pressure and control there. Also going into Friday with high pressure and control. And then on Saturday, here comes that front. And there will be some severe weather back to our west, but I'm not expecting that in our area. Over toward Arkansas, Mississippi, West Tennessee, maybe a rough thunderstorm or two there. And then going into Sunday, we'll watch the front come on through. Monday's looking pretty good. And then I got question marks for Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday, maybe a return chance of rain. Tuesday night's what I'm thinking here. Although this is lighting up green for Tuesday morning. It really is a timing on this next system and its potency. And then it comes on through on Wednesday. It clears on out. So the European and American GFS models are in a little bit of disagreement on day 6 and 7 of the forecast. So expect some changes on that as we get closer to that going into next week. So as we go ahead and take a look at that forecast here for tomorrow, looking at your forecast there, Gainesville, 78.56, so a little cooler than what we had on your Wednesday out there. And looking at your temperature lows, mostly in the 50s out there for overnight lows. Still could see a few 40s up in the mountains, but not looking too bad here. Looking at your daytime highs for tomorrow in Gainesville, I apologize, I didn't update that number there. It should be 78 for your high, obviously. That's what I just said. 76 in Cornelia, 81 in Calhoun, 82 in Cartersville, 80 in Douglasville. So a little bit warmer to the west. That cool air is coming in from the east, so that's why the eastern zones are a little bit cooler. Regionally looking like this, 81 in Nashville, 74 in Asheville. Nashville 81, Asheville 74. Okay, there you go. Charlotte 74, 77 in Savannah, 85 Columbus, 89 over into Jackson and Mobile. Next 7 days, here we go. All right, let's bring that temperature down a little bit down to 75 on Friday. Come back up a little bit going into Saturday. Watch increasing clouds late in the day on Saturday. Rain Saturday night into Sunday morning. Right now going to about a 50% chance. A little cool there on Monday, 72.48 there in Gainesville and 77.49 on Tuesday. I think Tuesday morning will be the best morning. We'll have the best radiational cooling with a very dry air in place to see some 30s potentially across North Georgia. And then we'll see that front coming through on Tuesday, Wednesday. Notice the high on Wednesday, only about 68 degrees behind that front, depending on the timing on when that thing arrives. And we may put a rain chance back in there, although I don't think it'll be too high going into Tuesday and Wednesday. Just have to kind of fine tune the timing on that for right now. So again, 3 fronts that we're kind of tracking. One that's going to bring us some decent rain there coming into Sunday, needed rain, but hopefully we'll get a little bit more if the pattern can get moving and get us where we're not fighting the drought. It's going to be kind of tough because we're on a La Nina year and we typically are drier in that kind of scenario. So we'll see how it works out. Anyway, that is y'all's update for today. Again, I appreciate you checking us out here on the YouTube channel. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're alerted on future content. And as always, my thanks to you. All right, you guys have a great day. Be good, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.